Ever struggled with a dirty oven? Oven cleaning can be a daunting task, but keeping it clean is essential. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this problem together. First, let's talk about routine maintenance. Wiping down your oven surfaces after each use and regularly cleaning the oven door seal prevents grease buildup and maintains heat efficiency. Remember, the sooner you address spills, the easier they are to clean. Now, onto a few magic tricks with baking soda and vinegar. For light cleaning, a paste of baking soda and water works wonders. For tougher stains, an equal parts white vinegar solution is your best friend. If your oven is broken and needs replacing, consider modern ovens, as they often come with a self-cleaning function that uses steam to loosen grime. It's a great feature to think about for your next oven purchase. And there you have it. Just remember, routine maintenance, baking soda, vinegar, and self-cleaning options. Thank you for watching. Here's to a cleaner, healthier oven.